Hello everyone, this is Pam from Pam's Rooted in Green. I got a plant mail today and I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what's inside. It's little. Oh my goodness. What a tiny baby. Isn't it cute? Little tiny thing. Look at that. Doesn't have a label, so I'll put on the screen what it is, because honestly I can't remember. Look at that tiny pot. Oh, now that's cute. I want to put it in stratum. It's dry, but I'm afraid I should wait a couple days. I'll just keep it wet with some distilled water and then put it in stratum. Maybe. I have to think about it. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm going to water it because it seems dry to me. This is distilled water. Give it a good drink. Had a long journey from California, Bayside Nursery, if you want to give them a look on Etsy. Very cute. I'll be back to pot it up. I've decided to go ahead and put it in the stratum and get it out of the soil. It's got a couple leaves that don't look too good here. Baby leaves. Snip those off. Nice roots. Look at that. Let's hope I don't damage them. Being very gentle. I'm glad I watered it, otherwise this would not come up so easily. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse the roots off. Okay, I rinsed the roots off. A lot of the roots are good. There's like only a couple pieces that aren't white. It looks great. Okay. I'm going to put it in this cup in Fluval, Stratum. I always call it Fluval. That's the brand name, and Stratum is the product. It around so you can see. Okay, gently put these roots in here. I do this with all my little tissue culture plants. This one was probably a tissue culture, and it got put into that peaty mix or whatever that was, cocoa core. So now I'll get the distilled water. I check these plants that are in Fluval every day to check their water levels. You want the level to be about 1/3 of the cup. There we go. That might be more like a half, but that's okay. So now, barring any weird things happening from shipping and transplanting, it should do fine. This is an Alocasia Batik. I'm happy with it. Very pretty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. 37 days later. Hello everyone, this is Pam from Pam's Rooted in Green. Today I am going to take this Alocasia Batik out of Stratum and transplant it into pond. This is part of the journey of this plant that I got a while back. I'll put the exact dates in the video. It's a very pretty little plant. I really like the variegation on the leaves. It's grown, I think, well, it's got a new leaf coming. This was the last leaf it got. So let's get started. First thing, remove the Fluval stratum. Kind of have to be careful with this because the stratum gets everywhere, honestly, and it stains your fingers. And like I used some glasses and it stained them. So I can't use those anymore. So they will be my propagation glasses from now on. It's got quite a nice root system. It should transfer very well. Doesn't really seem to have any rotten roots. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it. Okay, here it is, all rinsed. Look at the roots, they're really nice. It looks like I got another sprout coming out the bottom. There's some more little root nodes coming in. Okay, let's get it in here. I like the wick to be up a little higher. Oh no, disaster. I'm so clumsy sometimes, really. I bump into things, burn myself on grow lights. Pretty crazy. Let's see if these wicks are long enough. See if I can do this again. I'll be less aggressive. Okay. Spread these roots out here. It won't be long. It'll be shooting roots down into the reservoir. This plant was originally, I'm sure, a tissue culture that was put into a coco coir plug. But I don't mind that. There she is. She'll be fine. I always top water at first. And let the reservoir get, about halfway. Fluval stratum is messy. I've got it on my hands and everything I touch gets covered with it. Okay, there we go. She has completed her journey as a young plant. When she's bigger and fully rooted in here, she'll probably get a larger pot. And that's when I'll look for corms. So stay tuned for that in an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I ask you to please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps my channel grow. And come back again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.